on that other anchorage. It's just way too rough. We gotta watch the lobster pots. There's one up on the left. There's some dolphins. You can see their fins. How's the depth, Sam? It's a dolphin. 3 feet. Boy. Lobster pot there. Lots of action with the dolphins right now. 4 feet. 4 feet. 4 feet. See how much the wind died down? Wow, the dolphins are really going nutty over there. I think I see a manatee too. Yeah. 6 feet. Got 6 feet. That's good. Good time to see the dolphins. They must be feeding. That was a manatee. Right where the birds are. Wants to get a ride. Good with lobster pots. Alright, I gotta go up front and take care of the anchor. There's Cape Canaveral. Alright, talk to you later.